You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from medicine-related vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. The English pronunciation, puerperium. Let's break it down. That's the period of about 6 weeks after childbirth, the postpartum period. Pure, yes, just like P-U-R-E, puerperium, 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 puerperium. How to pronounce in English? Correct pronunciation, puerperium. It's easy once you know, and now puerperium, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.